row, yet to win in 18. 5-1 the price served up. Gate is rolling. 12th race post time at Mohawk. Twelfth race field picking up speed. They're ready for a start. Here they come. Often pacing in a big start far outside for Monster-in-Law as he charges off the gate. Coming out with them as they head towards the turn is Western Posse. Easy 11 Smiley tucks in third. World Away finds Pylons fourth. Jackets acquired fifth. Parked out sixth. Driving Last Call Hanover. The rail seventh belongs to Bombay Away. Further back to be along at the inside from an eighth position as they go over to the opening quarter-mile marker. That is Sportsman Away, eighth at the rail. Then it's back to Abstract Artist and Ultra Jimmy trailing 26-1 the opening quarter, and they're into the backstretch. Monster-in-Law made the lead. Pocket pulling on him, though, comes Western Posse, and it's Western Posse rushing up to take over the racetrack now. Monster-in-Law gives way to sit back second. Here comes Philion, who's going to punch the throttle, and he's got Easy Livin' Smiley up and driving here in the second quarter on the way to the half. The lead belongs to Western Posse. Coming up after him on the outside now is Easy Livin' Smiley. Right there in the pocket spot third is Monster-in-Law, the half in 54 seconds flat. That's a big one as they move into the far turn. Chasing after Western Posse here. Western Posse drives on. Second on the outside, that's Easy Livin' Smiley. Locked up in the box third. Monster-in-Law covered up on the outside. World Away licking his chops from fourth. Picking up the cover fifth. Jackets required now. Sixth. Stymied in traffic is Last Call Hanover. Trying to rally from the backfield comes Bombay Away. They're at three quarters. And with the lead there, still Western Posse. 122-2. Did a number on Easy Livin' Smiley. He has stepped away from Monster-in-Law, but can he deal with World Away? World Away's the one who kicked out off that perfect second over trip now, and he's going to have to make up 3 lengths if he wants to get to Western Posse. Western Posse's bit off pretty big fractions here, but he's still good to go, leading it by a pair of lengths. World Away continues to chip away on the outside second, but he's not going to get to Western Posse tonight. Western Posse by just over a length. World Away was second. Coming on for third was Bombay Away. 1:54 the mile time.